With regular use and enjoyment, chains and bars need to be replaced on even the highest quality pole saws. Today, we're replacing the bar and chain on the Kobalt 40V Max 10-inch brushless pole saw. When your chain shows signs of stretching or begins to create finer sawdust instead of rough threads, you know it's time to replace it. And when your bar shows signs of wear on the rails, tails, or nose, it's time to replace that as well. Safety is always the primary concern when replacing parts on powerful cutting tools, so make sure to remove the battery before beginning. Loosen and remove the side plate. Carefully remove the chain and the bar. While you're under the hood, it's a good opportunity to clean any debris that may have built up before making replacements. Before you put on the new chain, make sure to straighten out any kinks in the links. Place the new chain's links into the bar groove, threading the chain in a forward direction, imagining the teeth going over the top. Holding the chain in position, place the bar onto the stud and the chain around the sprocket. Replace the chain cover, firmly secure the knob. Then set chain tension, giving the chain about 1/4 inch of slack. Give your chainsaw one last check, making sure the chain is easily rotated by hand. And now your 10-inch pole saw is ready to blaze through some more wood.